layer under, but it will be complex just to compare. Each time I will do a modification on the layer on the top to just turn off the visibility and turn on the visibility of the layer under. So to solve this problem, what I like to do is to select both layers. So I press and I hold the Shift key, and then I click on the two layers in the layer stack. So now the two layers are selected, and I press the Ctrl G to create a group. So now my two layers are inside a group. And I will put a special blending mode on the layer on the top. So I go into the blending mode, and I will unfold here the misc category. And I check here the copy blending mode. So you have a little checkbox. If you check it, you will get the copy blending mode in part of your favorite category here. So I'm selecting copy. And now all the pixels of this layer will replace the pixel of this layer under. That's what the copy blending mode does. In short, it replaces even the transparency. So if I select an eraser preset and I just start to erase a part of my drawing, I will see here the sketch under. And if I draw something with black, like a new line, you will see that I will get like a sort of new version. And if I press the visibility off this new version, I will be able to just compare with the version before. And this way to easily compare with your version before is very precious. If you do that very often with the visibility option, you can go to Settings, Configure Krita, and in the keyboard shortcut, just type Visibility, and you will get here the shortcut for the layer visibility. I set mine to the H key because I use it very often, like that, just to compare. My second move, once I have this setup, is to just take a big eraser and erase everything I dislike. So for example, on this face, I dislike these eyes and also the shape of the face here. And now I need to go back to the origin of the failure. And the origin of the failure is obviously the sketch. The sketch wasn't really well done, to be gentle with it. So I would select the sketch, duplicate it, turn off the visibility of the original sketch, and on the top sketch I will just press delete. So all my layer will be now available to draw. And then I will start to be able to take whatever brush and start to sketch again the missing part. So this would take a little time, and I will launch a time lapse for this part. So one thing that I'm doing right now is to try to find the good volume. And for that, I'm drawing a lot of guideline. The line for the eyes, but also some non-visible bones and also some proportion. I also keep pressing the M key to see my art in a mirrored way. It really helps at spotting more problem. There is one thing very important to keep in mind, is about how the volume are in symmetry but in perspective, and this is very hard to reproduce. And your audience will be very sensitive to all the problem related to face or to human parts.